So what if 0 is added to a number or subtracted or multiplied or divided to a number? What answer you will be getting? Let's find that out. So that will be 0. Properties of 0, let's say we will be looking at that one. First one, what if we take 0 and if we add it to any integer? Say any integer, for example, say 3. Now if I take 3 and if I add it to 0, I will end up getting the same answer. So 3 plus 0 will give me 3. If I take say minus 5 and if I add it to 0, I will still end up getting the same answer. So that is your addition property of 0. Okay. So any number you take, you add it to 0, you will end up getting the same answer. Let's look at subtraction then. In subtraction, if you subtract 0, there's nothing to worry about it. Say for example, let's take the number 3 itself. If I add 3 minus 0, what I'll be getting? 3. But is it the case, say for example, if I add 5 minus 0, I'll be getting what? Again 5. But is it the case if I subtract these numbers from 0? Okay. What if I say subtract 3 from 0? What if 0 is in the first term and 3 is in the second term? Will you be getting still same answer over there? No. So what you will be getting in that case? You will be getting minus 3. So 0 minus 3 is minus 3. And over here also it is the same way. And here you will be what? 5 minus 0. If I add 0 minus 5, you will be getting minus 5. You have to take a note of that one. It is not going to be same. It is going to be in negative. It will not be getting the same number. So that is your addition. This is your subtraction. Moving on to the next one, that will be multiplication. What if you multiply an integer with 0? Okay, so that is the third one. So multiplication. So in multiplication, say any integer, say 4. If you take 4 and if you multiply it with 0, what you will be getting? Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. So same thing goes with any other integer also. Take a negative number, minus 2 multiplied by 0, you will still end up getting 0. So same thing goes with other integers also, right? So now let's look at division. So what happens in division? In division, if you take any integer for example and if you divide it with 0. Now say the 0 is in the denominator. So what you will be getting? Look at the numbers nicely. The first one is 6, numerator, and the denominator is 0. You will be getting any answer? Will you be getting answer as 6? No. What answer you will be getting? Not defined. This will not be defined. So if you take any integer and if you divide it with 0, you will not be getting an answer. That is called as not defined. What if the number is at the top? So 0 is at the top and the integer is at down. This is first case. And the second one is if 0 is in the numerator and if the number is in the denominator, what will be your answer be? Just 0. So keep this in mind. If your 0 is in the denominator, you will not get the answer. It is not defined. If the 0 is in the numerator, you will be getting answer as 0. So I hope you have understood about addition property and multiplication property and the 0 property. Let's quickly move on to the next one. Alright, so next topic what we have over here is integers sign. This is one of the important ones in integers chapter. Let's look at that one. There are 4 rules which you have to remember at any cost. The first one will be plus minus is minus. Okay. The next one is minus plus is also minus. Third one is plus plus is plus. And fourth one is minus minus is also plus. So these are the 4 rules which you have to remember at any cost while solving the sums in integers chapter. Okay, what is this one? Here it says plus into minus is minus, or you can say plus minus is minus. Minus plus is also minus. Now here if you see it is same sign over here, so you will end up getting the same sign, that is just plus, and here it is minus and minus, and this will also be plus. Basically what it is, if you have different sign, you are going to subtract them. And if you have same sign in any two integers, then you are going to add them. You just have to remember this much. If you have two integers, one with plus sign, one with minus sign, or one with minus sign, one with plus sign, basically they are different signs, just subtract them. And if you have two integers, both the integers are of same sign, then simply just add them. So based on these rules, we are going to see addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first one, we will talk about addition and subtraction together. So if I say the first one over here, plus and minus, so if I take any two numbers, say 7 and 5 if I am taking, so I will be writing 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? 2. You all know how it is. So 7 will be plus, because I did not put any sign. For plus you don't have to use plus. 7, and this one is minus 5. You can't simply say it as 5. You have to say it as minus 5. So 7 minus 5. So basically they are different sign. If they are different sign, what you are supposed to do? Subtract them. So 7 minus 5 simply will give you 2. Same thing we will do it in otherwise. So if I write the same number, but if I put now minus 7 and plus 5. If I put minus 7 and plus 5. So first number is a negative number and second number is a positive number. So what is the sign of this integer? Minus. What is the sign of this integer? Plus. Minus 7 plus 5. What you are supposed to do if different sign you have? Subtract. Yes, you are going to subtract. But how? 7 minus 5 is 2. But is 2 is going to be your only answer? No. So here comes the twist. Whenever you are subtracting two numbers, you have to see, look for the greater number. So what is the greater number amongst these two? 7. So what is the sign of 7? Minus. So your answer is not just 2, it is minus 2. This is one important thing, we have to keep it in mind. Look for another example. If I add minus 9 plus 3. Different sign. Different sign means what you are supposed to do? Subtract them. So if you are going to subtract them, then minus 9 plus 3 will be giving what? 6. But what will be the sign? The bigger number sign. So always going to be the bigger number sign. What is the bigger number? 9. So simply your answer is minus 6. Now same with 7 and 5. Let's look at this one and this one. So if I have the same sign, 7 and 5. 7 plus 5. I didn't put plus over here. It's just still the same. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. Because we are going to add them. And what if you have minus 7 and minus 5? What you are going to do? You are still going to add them. Because it is same sign, right? So if it is same sign, you are going to add them. What is 7 plus 5? 12. That's correct. You added them. What is the bigger number over here? Minus. Right? With 7. So 7 ka sign is minus. So here you will end up getting minus 12 as your answer. So keep it in mind when you are solving different numbers, you have to subtract them. And what sign will be coming? The bigger number sign. What, like how? If I simply solve 7 minus 5, what you are getting? 2. What was the bigger number? Here also it is different one. What was the bigger number? Plus. So this is also plus 2. But we did not show it. But when it is a minus, you have to show it. This you have to keep it in mind in case of addition and subtraction. Next we'll move on to multiplication and division. What if we use these similar signs in multiplication and division over here? So let's talk about multiplication. Now I'm going to take any two numbers, say 2 and 3. So if I take 2 and if I multiply that with 3, okay, I have taken two numbers and I am going to multiply them and show it to you. So this one is 2, but it is plus 2, and this one is the integer 3, but it is minus 3. So basically here plus is there and here minus is there. If plus and minus is there, what is the sign we will be giving? Minus. So plus into minus is minus. Simply multiply them according to it. So 2 3s are 6. Let's look at the next one list. Let's say 3 and 4. So if I write minus 3 and if I want to multiply it with say positive 4, can you tell me the answer over here now? It's a different sign obviously. Yes, it is different sign. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply them. What sign will be coming? Minus sign will be coming. 3 into 4 is just 12. Is that clear? So this is multiplication. Let's look at the other examples also. Plus into plus. Now here simply you just take any number and you just multiply it. Both the numbers are positive, so you have out space, end up getting the positive number as your answer. And here both the numbers are negative. Now say minus 2 into minus 6. What you will be getting? Minus and minus. What will be the sign? Plus sign. So here it is plus. You can show it or you don't have to show it also. 2 6 simply 12. Did we get that one? So these are the 4 basic rules which you have to remember at any time in solving addition, subtraction and multiplication. The last one we will see, that one is division. So what happens in division? In division also we are going to follow the same thing. If I take any two numbers, say for example minus 2, and the other number, let's say I want to divide it with 3. So minus 2 and 3. What is the number? This one is minus and this one is plus. What answer I will be getting? I will be getting its different sign, right? So what is the sign we will be giving? Minus to it, and simply 2 divided by 3. Now say for example another number, let's take minus 3 upon minus 4. Now what is this one? Here it is minus and here it is also minus. You know minus, and if you say minus, what is the sign it's going to be? It's going to be simply plus. So minus and minus will get cut. The answer you will be getting in plus is nothing but 3 upon 4. You put plus or you don't have to put, that is up to you. You can take any various integers of any numbers and you can just place it them and you can try solving with this one. And if you continuously practice once and for all, then it will be the easiest of all. So now let's quickly do a summary of it. First we studied about integers, and then we also gone through representation of the integers on the number line. Then we studied about addition properties, multiplication properties, zero properties. Then after that we studied about integers sign. All these topics are very important. So in future we will be also solving the exercise sums. Thank you.